Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. How are you? I know you all are fine. So, today welcome back to our mathematics class. What class? Mathematics class. Once say the spelling of the mathematics. You also say along with me. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Once again say M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay, children. Yesterday what we learned? Some basics we learned. What are numbers, number names, and yesterday we learned before numbers, after numbers, between numbers. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are going to start our textbooks. What is this? This is mathematics textbook for yours. This is first class mathematics textbook. Now, today we are going to start about new chapter. And this is the revision part. What is this? Revision. Revision means already you did learn in previous class. Which class did you complete? Yes, you all are completed the UKG class. So, revision means what did you learn in UKG class? Once repeat it. Okay now? So, today we will be seeing about new topic. What is the topic? New topic. That is comparison, big or small. Comparison. C-O-M-P-A-R-I-S-O-N. Comparison. Big. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G. Big. Or small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. What is the spelling of small? S-M-A-L-L. So, you all did you buy the books? So, okay children, those who not buy the books, tomorrow you will come to school and you will buy the books. Don't forget it. Today onwards we have started our all subjects textbook classes and textbook lessons. Okay now children? First one, comparison, big or small. Once let's read the spelling comparison. C-O-M-P-A-R-I-S-O-N. Comparison. Big. B-I-G. Big. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. See, what is this? You know already this is a leaf. And what is this? This is also leaf. Anywhere did you observe? What is the difference between these two leaves? Anyone? Did you observe children? What is the difference between these two leaves? Yes, you know already very well. This is the big leaf. This is the small leaf. Yes or no? This is the big leaf. This is the small leaf. How do you identify? You know, when you are saying like this, simply you are saying big leaf, small leaf. How did you identify? I told you, and this is nothing but it refers to the size. It refers to the size. size of this leaf. Once we sing size. This leaf size is this one. Next. And one more leaf. This is also leaf, no? This is also leaf. This leaf also having like this size. So when we comparing these two lines, yes, when we comparing these two lines, this is the big line. This is the small. This is the big. This is the small. Yes. Big or small. What is the difference between big or small? Means this is. It refers to the size of thing. It refers to the size of thing. And this is also. This is chalk-piece box. Are you understand, children? This is chalk-piece box. And this is also chalk-piece box. This is also chalk-piece box. Yes or no? We are calling these two things box. This is also box. This is also box. But what is the difference between these two boxes? Yes, this is the small box. This is the big box. Yes, we are comparing these two things only. We are comparing these two things. So this is the small box when we comparing with this box. Okay, na children? This is the big box when we comparing this box. Are you understand all of? Are you clear my words? So once again, we are explaining. See here, these two leaves. Yes. Before you did say, this is the big leaf. This is the big leaf. This is the small leaf. So when we are using, this is the big leaf. This is the small leaf. When we are comparing these two leaves, when we are comparing these two leaves, that time this is the big leaf, we comparing with this leaf. This is the small leaf. This is the small leaf when we comparing with this leaf. Is that children? Are you understand all of? So this is the big leaf. This is the small leaf. And this is a very important one. We are comparing about two things. Any two things. We are comparison about two things. Okay. So now let us start our textbook exercise. Let us start textbook exercise. Those who buy the textbooks, show me once your textbook. Okay, all are open the textbook page number 5. Open the textbook page number 5. So, in this first pictures, let us see first pictures. This is the tree, this is the plant. Is that no children? This is the tree, this is the plant. You learned in previous class already. Trees are very big. Trees are very big. Plants are small. Plants are very small. So here also like that only in the mathematics class. What? Comparison, big or small. So, you know very well here in these pictures. Yes? Tree is the big. So, this tree is the big. And this plant is the small. And here, one important thing is when we compare with these two things, when we compare these two things, so this tree is the big compared with this plant, and this plant is the small when we compare with this tree. All understand, children? Yes. Next, here cow. And second picture, what is this picture of? Cow. And this is the calf. Calf means these two animals. This is the cow. This is the calf. Those who not their books, children, you all observe this book. I am showing you book properly. So, you observe this book. Look at me all of. Don't see here and there. Are you seeing the book? Clearly seeing me? Okay, see here. This is the cow. This is the calf. Yes. Yes. Here. Cow. These two animals you know very well. Cow, calf. Calf means baby of cow. Baby of cow. So, this cow is big, calf is small. Are you understand, children? This is the big animal, this is the small animal. All are clear? Very good. Next. In the first sentence, take the big object. What is this? Take the big object. Here, what are the things are there? Here, persons given. First picture is boy. Take the big object. Take the big object. The first picture is one boy. First picture is one boy. And second picture is man. Second picture is man. So let's we write on the board. Why? Because those who not their books. So for children, I will give you on the blackboard. First picture is boy. Second picture is man. Okay, children. Did you observe in these two pictures? Did you observe these two pictures? Which is the big object? Which is the small object? Yes. Man is the big object. So we are tick on the man. You all are tick like this. You all are tick on like this. Okay. Next. Fish. And one more example for you. This is fish and this is also fish. What is the difference between these two fishes? What is the difference between these two fishes? Yes. This is the big fish. This is the small fish. What is that? This is the big fish. This is the small fish. So what given here? Take the big object. Take the big object. So you all are taking a textbook and the big object like this. Did you complete, children? Okay, one show me your textbooks. How I am seeing like this. You also see your show me your textbook. I'm seeing your video. So now very important thing for you. Those who not buy the books. So please children, tomorrow you will come to school and buy the books. Those who did not buy books, please tomorrow you will come to school, buy books. All are clear, children? All understand this topic? Comparison big or small? All understand? Okay, next. Next topic also comparison of tall or short. Tall. What is the spelling of tall? T-A-L-L. Tall or short. What is the spelling of short? Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Comparison, these two things. Tall, short. Now, I will show something. Let's see. These two things. These two are bottles only. These two are bottles only. But what is the difference between these two things? Did you observe? Anyone? Can you guess it? Yes, you know already very well. This is a tall bottle. This is a short bottle. All understand, children? This is also small in size. This is also longer in size. Which is longer? That is called tall. Which is small in? This is called short. Are you understand, children? Longer, short, shorter. See here, books. Now I am showing you textbook. This is house. This is short house. These two are houses only. These two are houses. But something different is there. Yes or no? Yes. This is the tall in size. This is the short in size. So when we are comparing with these things, this is the tall. This is the short. This is the taller house. We are comparing with this house. This is the short house. This is the short house. We are comparing with this house. All understand, children? Next, and down one more picture, one more example for you. Two pencils. I have two pencils. I have two pencils. Did you observe anything different between these two pencils? This is the tall. This pencil is short. Okay, children. This pencil is tall. This pencil is short. And when we are comparing with two things. When we decide like that, we are comparison two things. This is the tall pencil. This is the short pencil. All understand, children? Down. Now, write tall again is the objective that is taller. That is taller. So, we identify here which is the tall object, which is the short object. Here given now, write tall again is the object that is taller. Now, write that is taller. Look at the board, children. Now write tall against the object that is taller. Here, two things are there. First of all, these two trees. What are there in first picture? These two trees. So this is the tall. Here given tall, taller. Taller means taller, bigger than tall. Taller, bigger than taller. So here we are taking this small one is tall. Tall, bigger than, this is the taller. In first tree is the taller. First one we write taller. Next, the two ladders are there in these pictures. What are they? Two ladders. This is the one ladder. This is the second ladder. So which is the tall? Which is the taller? This is the tall. And this is the taller. This is the taller. So we should write here this taller. Where you will write, children? Here. This is the taller ladder. So you should write here taller. Means second picture. Taller. Next, third one. Man. He is a shorter man. He is a taller. So which is the short? And that is called tall man. He is a taller man. He is a tall man. He is a taller man. So third one also. Taller. All understand, children? Tall, taller. Observe these two pictures. Observe these two pictures, then you will understand very well. Okay, children? All are clear? Okay, thank you.